Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I am growing my daughter's hair with this recipe we're about to make. I grew her hair from no hair to this full and thick hair with this simple recipe we're about to make. And here is Vaseline. Some people use Vaseline on their skin, some use it on their hair, some apply it to a baby's butt before putting on diaper. But today I'm going to be showing you how I use Vaseline with shea butter on my daughter's hair. You can either use this pink label or the blue label, whichever one you use is also efficient, so long as it is Vaseline with the blue seal. So I'm going to be scooping 1.5 tablespoons of Vaseline into the bowl. Yeah, you can use more than 1.5 tablespoons depending on the quantity of what you want to produce. So I just want this the quantity of what I'm producing today to just be enough for about a week or two. So if you want to produce it for a very long time, you want to keep it for a very long time, or you want to do a large quantity to use for a very long time, you can use up to 3 or 4 tablespoons. So the next thing we're going to be using here is shea butter. You can get shea butter from your local store. I ordered this one on Amazon. You can order it on Amazon if you're living abroad or you're living where you can access it in the local store. You can order it on Amazon. So this is about 25 pounds of shea butter, and I'm going to be using about the same quantity as the Vaseline. So I'll be using 2 tablespoons of shea butter, and I'm just going to be adding it to the Vaseline right there in the bowl. All right, everyone, we all know the importance of shea butter. Some people use shea butter as part of their skincare product. Some use it as part of their hair product. Know that shea butter is has been used for a very long time, even before the times of my great grandfather. They've been using shea butter. I want to tell you that shea butter is very important if you know how well to use it. All right, everyone, the next thing I'm going to be adding here is organic castor oil. Yes, you can use any oil of your choice, but I prefer to use castor oil because castor oil gives this texture, this fine texture when you apply it to your hair or your skin. So you can use either this castor oil or black Jamaican castor oil. And in the case where you don't have castor oil, you can add any oil of your choice, like olive oil. So the next thing I'm going to be adding here is Luana coconut oil. This is totally optional. You can decide to add or you can decide not to add, so long as you have the Vaseline, the shea butter, or any oil of your choice. It's certainly okay with me, but I just feel I need to add coconut oil to this recipe. All right, everyone, this is everything you need for this wonderful herbal hair cream. So I'm going to be mixing it together. I don't have a hand mixer. All I have is an electric mixer. So if you have hand mixer, you can as well use that, or any food processor that can blend the mixture together and give it this fine smooth paste. So everyone, this is it, and I'll keep mixing it together until I have the smooth texture. This smooth consistency. I want it to be very smooth and fine. Yeah, so I will keep doing it until I get the consistency I want. All right, the next thing I'm going to be adding is just a few drops of lavender essential oil. It's also optional. You can decide to add it or you can decide not to add it. I personally love adding essential oils to some of my homemade recipe because essential oil stimulate the hair follicles when you add it to your hair, not directly to your hair, but you add it to your hair product. Some people also prefer to add essential oils to their humidifier to help them breathe easily during period of winter or during period of cold season. So whichever way, just know that essential oil is good. So this is our herbal hair cream, and the next thing I'm going to be showing you how to apply it to the hair. I already washed the hair, and this is Cantu hair conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner. You can use any conditioner of your choice. Just make sure that the hair is well conditioned. before you apply the herbal product. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, share this content with your friends and families, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right, continue to watch the video to the end, and don't be in a hurry. Watch as I apply the herbal hair cream on the hair, and be patient with us. We are dealing with a toddler here. All right, hope you understand. Thank you so much for your understanding. All right, so all right, everyone, this is the herbal cream that we made earlier. I have used this herbal cream because this is what we use in my home. This is what every one of us use in the home. So we've used it almost to half of that container before we loosed up the hair. So you can see it's fine. It doesn't have any lumps. It's smooth, and that is how we're going to apply it on the hair. Just watch me as I gently massage the cream onto our hair. The next thing I added to the hair is this oil. If you want to know how to make this oil, the link will be on the description of this video. I hope you enjoy the video, and please don't be in a hurry. Watch to the end. Thank you. you.